Your dinner plate might soon look very different. The future of meat is already here. Your dinner plate might soon look very different. The future of meat is already here. Imagine meat grown without harming animals. This isn't science fiction anymore. Cellular agriculture promises a revolutionary food source. Scientists are perfecting this incredible technology. We're on the brink of a food revolution. This could solve global food crises. Get ready to rethink your protein. Cultivated meat grows directly from animal cells. No animal slaughter is required for this process. Scientists take a small biopsy from a live animal. These cells, often myosatellite cells, are then cultured. They grow and multiply in a bioreactor. This environment mimics an animal's body. Nutrients feed the cells, allowing them to thrive. Dr. Mark Post led the charge. His team unveiled the first cultivated burger. This historic event happened in London, 2013. The cost was an astonishing $325,000. It proved the concept was absolutely possible. This single burger changed food science forever. It sparked massive global interest. Reducing production cost remains a key challenge. Scaling up bioreactor size is crucial now. Developing affordable, animal-free growth media helps. Scaffolding for complex tissue structures is evolving. 3D bioprinting offers promising solutions. Companies like Upside Foods are now active. They received FDA approval in 2022. Singapore approved cultivated chicken in 2020. This shows regulatory bodies are adapting. Cultivated meat offers huge environmental benefits. It uses significantly less land and water. Greenhouse gas emissions are greatly reduced. Animal welfare concerns become non-existent. It could boost global food security immensely. Disease risks from animal farming could diminish. Imagine diverse protein options for everyone. This technology promises a more sustainable future. The journey from lab to plate continues rapidly. Cultivated meat is more than just a novelty. It represents a bold step forward for humanity. A delicious, sustainable future is within reach. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.